Nothing beats being the prettiest girl in the room with absolutely no makeup. I mean, who doesn't want to constantly slay while doing the bare minimum? Duh. Don't get me wrong. This is absolutely zero shade to my full glam makeup girlies. I love getting my makeup done too. But the only face you have on 24/7 is your natural one. And honestly, being naturally pretty is the biggest flex ever. But is it actually possible to look makeup pretty without any makeup at all? You know me, I had to find out. So after days of doom scrolling every beauty hack known to mankind, yes, I take this job very seriously, I finally cracked the code. I figured out exactly how to pull off what I'm calling the no makeup glow. But before we get into all the good stuff, you need to understand the concept behind it. If you caught my face card video, you probably heard me talk about the Big 5. It's really just a simple concept I created to kind of break down the MVPs of your face. We're talking face shape, skin, lips, eyes, and hair. But in this video, let's talk about how to improve the Big 5 without using any makeup. Now, you obviously won't look the exact same as a full face of glam. Unfortunately, I'm not a magician. But with a few sneaky tricks, you can totally take your natural beauty from 10 to 100 in no time. What's the one thing all the pretty girls have in common? Their glass skin. Duh. Foundation can make it look like you have clear skin. But a good skincare routine that actually respects your skin barrier gives you clear skin that lasts. And let's be real, even if you have the best full coverage foundation, it still sucks when you know your real skin underneath is full of pimples and blackheads. Just sticking to a simple everyday routine can give your skin that dewy, glowy finish that looks so good without even trying. I'm sure by now y'all know my holy grail routine. Cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen, and honestly, that's all you need to start. I know the internet has made it seem like you need 100 serums to get glass skin, but your skin barrier's a sensitive queen, and she cannot handle all that drama. To really get that glowy, healthy shine, you gotta find a moisturizer that's made for your skin type. If you already have oily skin, you don't want a moisturizer that makes you look too shiny. So you want to avoid oil-based moisturizers. You want to pick out a lotion with a flowy, lightweight formula. And if you have dry skin, you'll need to make sure you're getting something extra hydrating. Look out for products that go hard on hydration and are gel-based or an ointment like these. If you're struggling with blackheads or clogged pores, try exfoliating just once a week with a gentle chemical exfoliator like this one. Remember, we're not trying to make our skin barrier mad, so try not to overload her with Actos. And only introduce extra products based on your skin's specific needs. Another product I swear by for that natural glow is tinted sunscreen. It's just an effortless way to instantly blur out your dark spots without concealer. But once we got that fixed, there's something else we need to talk about. The secret weapon to an instant snatched face is actually your hair. There's a reason why ponytails were Ariana Grande's go-to. They literally lift your face. There's even a whole procedure called the ponytail facelift, because the way your hair is styled can actually lift your face. A tight ponytail can either give you a cat eye effect with a high ponytail, or pull everything back for that polished clean girl look with a lower ponytail. Just pull your hair back with a little tension, but don't go too crazy. It doesn't need to be so tight that you can't feel your head anymore. Once it's all done, slick everything back with some gel.
Nice.
If you did it right, you'll get just the tiniest little face pull that makes you look so much fresher. You might have seen some girlies try to snatch their face naturally with fake tan all over the internet. And I'm here to confirm that this one actually works. If you do it right. Many girls don't get good results because they go for really warm tones that don't have good contrast with their natural complexion. The only way to actually achieve the contour effect is to find cool undertone fake tans. Look out for ones with a cooler or ashy undertone. And you actually have to wash and exfoliate first so your skin can pick up the tan evenly. Please don't tan dirty skin. But when you're trying to add color to your face, don't forget the color of your lips, because that matters too. Your lips are literally your most low-maintenance, high-reward feature. All you need is a little exfoliating and moisturizing to keep them happy. Forget harsh scrubs that leave your lips raw. A gentle silk exfoliating glove used after your shower is a lot more effective, and you don't have to repurchase it every week. For moisturizing, if you're not a gloss person, petroleum jelly is perfect for keeping dry, cracked lips at bay. But if you really want to level that juicy lip game up, try out lip oils. Lip oils are amazing because they actually hydrate your lips, not just seal in whatever moisture you already have. They also feel lighter, look glossier, and often have nourishing ingredients like vitamin E or jojoba oil. And there's something just about them that always makes me feel instantly put together and cute. And here's the in-level tip. To keep your lips soft and crack-free, slather on a thick cream or ointment before bed. It works like an overnight lip mask, and you'll wake up with pillowy, soft lips. But your lips aren't the only feature that needs attention. Your eyes have two golden accessories, your brows and your lashes. Brow color is such an underrated card when it comes to upgrading your natural beauty. Tinting your brows and making them just a little bit darker makes them look fuller, and bleaching them just a little bit gives your face a softer look. Once you've nailed the shade, tidy them up. You can just use regular hair gel to brush your brows back like this to keep them defined. But you're not going to feel your best if your hair looks like you just survived the electric chair. We've already talked about the ponytail facelift, but hair color can be a total game changer when it comes to leveling up your look. You ever notice how some shades make your whole face pop while others kind of wash you out? That's because the right hair color brings out your natural glow. I'm not talking about crazy hair colors like electric blue, but I mean, if that's your vibe, totally go for it. What I'm really talking about are neutral shades that match your undertones. If your skin has cool undertones like pink, red, or blue shades, hair colors with blue, violet, or ash tones will suit you and highlight your natural glow. Try to avoid anything too golden or orangey. If you have warm undertones with yellow hues, honey blonde, caramel blonde, and copper red will look great on you. Ashy shades, on the other hand, might make you look dull. For olive undertones, blonde or mahogany red will bring out that greenish gold vibe perfectly, while brighter oranges or ashy blondes might not be the best match. If you're not sure what your undertones are, you can pause for a second and have a look at this guide. But being naturally pretty is more than just fixing your looks. The wrong posture can reverse all the hard work you put into looking pretty naturally. When you slouch, your body ends up in this weird curved position that flattens your shape and makes you look more boxy and less curvy. And we're not here for that. When you roll your pelvis slightly forward and lengthen through your spine, your waist looks smaller, your chest opens up, and your hips become more defined. Your body naturally forms that hourglass shape without a corset or gym. Fixing your posture not only changes how you look, but how people treat you. Confidence is magnetic, and posture speaks louder than words. With a few simple tweaks and hacks, you can make your face 10 times prettier and highlight your natural features. If you want to learn more about glowing up naturally, definitely check out this video as well.